How to add automatic subtitles in Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add automatic subtitles to your videos in Canva. So, let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and sign up. It's free. Once you're logged in, click on the video option from the left-hand menu and choose your video format like landscape. Next, upload your video by clicking Uploads on the left-hand side. Select your file, and once it's uploaded, just drag it onto the canvas or the timeline below. You can resize it to fit your design if needed. Now, to add subtitles, head over to the Apps section on the left menu and search for Subtitles. You'll see different options appear. For this tutorial, let's pick Animated Subtitles and click Open. Once it loads, click Start and let Canva process your video. It will scan the audio and automatically generate subtitles. After that, you can preview how they'll look, customize the font, change the text color, or even add a background color to make the subtitles more readable. When you're happy with the style, click Generate. Canva will transcribe your audio and sync the subtitles with your video. Finally, click Add to Design and play your video to see the subtitles in action. And that's it! You've successfully added automatic subtitles in Canva with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and goodbye.